I've decided to decorate the hood of my car a little bit. But the result is so-so. It doesn't matter. I'll pour water on top and apply a special spray to remove paint. Everything washes off easily. Flat tire? It doesn't matter. Take it out. Apply special glue to the screwdriver and stick it inside. Now take a special plug and put the screwdriver in place in this way. Remove excess glue. Wash it off. And you're done. What you gonna do if you lock yourself out accidentally? We stick the adhesive tape in several layers on the glass and then pull it down. A hole in the hose can be fixed by screwing an ordinary screw. Now see how properly lay down linoleum if you need to go around some objects. A couple of regular cuts with padding and then we remove all the excess. You're done. I'll show you how to connect two wires together. Expose them to begin with. Now we connect and twist the wires together. We isolate with tape and then with the original internal insulation. Another layer tape and you're done. If you combine two pencils together like this, you can copy any drawing. We cut off a piece of plastic pipe, divide it in half and fasten it to the wall. The shower fixture is ready. Putting three wires together, we will expose them, bend them, and then inserting such a nozzle into the screwdriver, twist it without any problems. We will disassemble the valve base into two halves, install it on a pre-designed place on the pipe, tighten it, install the valve itself, make a hole with a screwdriver and the water will flow. But you can always shut it off. To extend the plastic pipe, first thing you do is you get rid of sharp edges with a small grinder. Now you will slightly reduce the same pipe, grease it up with glue and place it inside the first one, and put on the pipe of the original size on top. Done! Screw the bottle cap to the wooden block. Screw the bottle into it. Our homemade hammer is ready. And if you don't have the goggles, just use the regular phone camera. Excess paint from the roller will help remove the bottleneck. And in order to apply insulation more evenly, use the pen. Slide the insulation inside and then gently apply to the threads. Done! Everything is tight and secure. You can give a second life to your old tools. Cut out the middle of this shovel. Sand and paint. Now we cut off the sharp part of the saw. Fasten it to what used to be a shovel with screws and put it back on the handle. Now we got a grass mower. Let's make a hole in a wooden block. Now we'll fix it with a double-sided tape in order to calmly remove all the unnecessary stuff with a jigsaw. Let's make a thin hole in one of the walls. Insert the dowel inside and screw the bolt into it. Now take a wooden stick, make a hole for the bolt. Everything fits. Now we round the edges of the wooden cube and cover it with stain. Let's check it out. And here's a nutcracker. An ordinary drill cannot make a hole in the metal. So first of all, we put it into such a structure and then sharpen it with a grinder. Now the drill does the job. Struggling with opening up a package? Just twist the free end and push it out of the loop. Easy. We expose 3 wires and then we fasten them in this way with the help of pliers. It's very simple and reliable. Take a disc from a grinder. and attach a circle of sandpaper to it. Feel for a hole and cut out the excess. Now install the muzzle and get a handy grinding device. See how easily my machine makes holes in any kind of wood, so that the burner doesn't leave marks where it's not needed. Take this part of the stationary clothespin and make a stand out of it. It's very simple. We separate the top part of the plastic bottle, stretch the wires through the lead, expose them. With the help of pliers, twist one of the wires this way and wrap the second around the light bulb. Our homemade lamp is ready. If the scissors are dull, a regular kitchen knife will do for sharpening them. Check it for yourself. And for reliability, it's always better to use 2 screws at once. We use a bolt with a nut as a nozzle for a screwdriver. Now we'll round them on a grinding machine. Let's weld 2 such structures to steel beams. We got homemade loops. We cut a wooden block at a slight angle. Now attach it to another bar for convenience. We can make the necessary saw cuts for our next design at the same angle. We'll remove the central part from the board and we'll make a cut on the second board, removing the side ones. We combine them with a little effort and a wooden hammer. Convenient, right? In order not to burn your hands with boiling water in a plastic cup, wrap it up in a napkin and then insert it into another glass. Now your hands are safe. To cover a wooden beam with the steel plates completely, cut the corner of one of them, put it on top and screw it on. If you unwind the device for burning, you can get a pan and turn it over. Now you can leave such an interesting pattern. And if the wires fall out, try to fasten them more securely. Pass the wire through the handles, then go around the teeth and out at the second handle. Fasten the handles and you're done. Much more reliable. Let's make a cut-through hole in the wooden block, and now file it along the mark. We have a handy tool for creating wooden plugs of the same length. Use it.